Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Well, good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Rich here on this Friday morning, 26th day of January. Happy Friday. And at 4:15 in the morning, a couple of audio issues outside on the video out there, so I'm on the webcam this morning to tell you about a nice day today. Rain chances which are high over the weekend, but the rainfall amounts may not be all that impressive. Some of the heavier rain may stay out in the Gulf of Mexico. We'll look at the week ahead, maybe a couple of bumps in the roads, including another storm system on the way. And you and I have been talking for a long time about how long the Arctic floodgates may be closed. And I've been telling you that I thought we'd be okay during the last 10 days of January and at least the first week of February. But after that, all bets are off. Well, now, this morning, we finally have some clues on when that could happen. Today we're on the backside of high pressure. That means the warm-up continues with those southeasterly winds. And really, you can't beat a day like this in late January. It's going to be pretty nice. With a sun and cloud mix, I think more sun than clouds. High temperature up to about 64. Tonight's low 48. Winds out of the southeast at about 6 to 12 miles per hour today. So a great Friday. Tomorrow, the rain chances are best in the afternoon hours. I think the morning is basically dry, but shower chances increase Saturday afternoon and into Saturday night when the rain becomes a little bit more pronounced. Most of the heavier rain is out in the Gulf, but still an approaching front from the north will give us kind of a squeeze play, if you will. Sunday at noon, there is the low south of Apalachicola, the heaviest rain in the Gulf, but still some lingering showers in Alabama on Sunday. And by Sunday evening, the showers start to taper off and end, and that leads to drier weather as we get into Monday. I think Monday will be a mostly sunny day. I think it's going to be a little breezy. Big low off the coast that's going to develop into a significant storm system in the Atlantic. Breezy and cold on Tuesday. We may not make 50 degrees for a high temperature on Tuesday. Rainfall potential heaviest near the coast. Look at New Orleans, 1.7 inches, maybe even Mobile, 1.2 inches, where there's going to be some Mardi Gras stuff this weekend. But you get to Lake Martin and maybe only 0.2 of an inch, and that's not good because we need the rain. The new drought monitor, severe drought now covering all of southeast Alabama, west central Alabama, moderate drought for most of us. But you see that little strip in central Alabama where things got a little bit better this week after the rainfall we had on Monday. So I've got the rain chances at 60% tomorrow, 80% Saturday night, 70% chance of lingering showers Sunday, low 60s over the weekend, then upper 50s Monday, cold on Tuesday, and then the coldest morning is Wednesday morning at 28, and then we start to recover by midweek. Then here's the next storm system coming in Friday. That looks interesting. A lot of rain coming in from the Gulf of Mexico with this front, and maybe even some snow up there in extreme North Alabama and the Tennessee Valley. Here's the European out 10 days. You see the blue bars at the bottom indicating the rain Saturday and Sunday. And then you see what the temperatures do. We're mild. Then the big drop as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday morning. Then we recover quickly. Then another storm system Friday. So we have what I call a brief setback on Tuesday and a brief setback the following Saturday. That would be Groundhog Day. And it looks like we'll recover. Most of the time will be pretty mild for this time of the year. The thaw continues, except for those two little bumps in the road, if you will. There's the GFS out 16 days. Now, hold the phone. Things get interesting in about 2 weeks. Now, we've been talking about this, maybe the Arctic floodgates opening again. There it is. Showing up way out there on Saturday, February 10th. Now, I usually don't show you models that far out, but that could be more Arctic air, folks. Spring countdown. Come on, spring. We're looking forward to your return this year. 52 days now till the vernal equinox on March 21st at 11:15 a.m. Equal day and equal night. And one more note, when the Arctic floodgates finally do open, whether it's February 10th or some other day in February, whenever that happens, it looks like we will probably be pretty cold for much of the rest of the month of February. So I just wanted to give you an idea of what's lurking out there, some clues that the atmosphere is sending us. Hope you have a great day today and a nice weekend. No video tomorrow because it's Saturday, but the weather never takes a day off. I'll be up early with a weather blog for you on Saturday and Sunday morning, and we'll be live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1, and with Greg, Jay, and Emily, and that dog which is snoring. She's snoring right there. That's Bailey. And I hope you have a great weekend. Your forecast whenever you wanted across the dial on 8 radio stations, the Blue Water family of stations. Okay, I think I've taken enough of your time. Have a good day.
Rich Thomas Weather.